In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause notifications in Slack. If you ever need quiet time to focus, Slack makes it simple to temporarily mute pings or set a recurring schedule that protects your work hours. I'll walk you through both options so you can pick what fits your day. Start by opening Slack on your computer, either the desktop app or the browser version, and head to the home view, where you see your channels and direct messages. This is the main workspace screen you land on when you first open Slack. Look to the bottom left corner of the window and click your profile picture or name. That opens a small menu with quick settings that control your availability and alerts. In that menu, choose Pause Notifications. This is Slack's Do Not Disturb feature. When it's on, Slack won't send you sounds, pop-ups, or mobile push notifications. Your coworkers will see that your notifications are paused, so they know you might not reply right away. Depending on your workspace settings, they may have the option to notify you anyway for something urgent, but routine alerts will stay quiet. Next, select your preferred duration. You'll see convenient presets, like pausing for a short burst, an hour or two, or until tomorrow. Pick the one that matches your focus window. If you're entering a meeting, choose the length of the meeting. For deep work, give yourself a couple of hours. Slack will resume notifications automatically when the timer ends. If you finish early, you can come back to the same menu and turn pause notifications off manually. If you want this silence to happen on a schedule, choose Set a Notification Schedule from that same area. Here you can define your typical work hours by picking the days of the week and the start and end times when you want to be reachable. Outside those hours, Slack will pause notifications for you automatically. This is great for protecting evenings, weekends, or a recurring focus block. Make sure the times reflect your time zone and adjust them when your schedule changes, like during holidays or travel. That's it. Open Slack Home, click your profile in the bottom left, use pause notifications for one-off quiet time, or set a schedule to make it automatic. With these controls in place, you'll reduce interruptions and return to your messages on your own terms.